welcome back to Sister Toys. And today I'm going to be making slime. And what I'm going to be using is a bowl, my mixing tool, which is a stick, some clear Tide, I'm going to bring it out, some clear glue from the dollar store that I'm going to be trying out, and some glitter from the dollar store too. So let's get right into it. I'm not going to pour all the glue because it's just super filled to the top. I want to like fill the little circle. Okay, there. I think that's enough, right? I don't think I need more. It still looks new. It looks so new. No, there's not much. It doesn't. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some glitter. I'm so scared. I don't know how too much I have to add. Okay, there. That's so beautiful. It looks like I didn't even use anything. Like, look at guys. How beautiful it is. Glitter. There's going to be such a little slime. Because look, I need more glue. Okay, I passed myself with the glue, but it's fine. The more is it? Okay, now I'm going to be adding the Tide. I'll be adding this whole thing. Clumping up. Yeah, this is really not that much slime. And I'm adding a lot of glue. I think I need more. Okay, that's all I'm going to be adding. You see it's clumping up. It's a very nice color. It looks like I made a clear slime and then I added yellow food dye and then iridescent glitter. That's how it looks. Like this is such a tiny slime. And look, like the glue was filled to the top, like to the very top. I added so much Tide. The slime is so nice. It's just so coming out of it. I'm gonna mix it with my hands. That always happens. Still clear slime. Now it's turning like this. Super sizzly. Oof. So where'd it go? This is so hard, guys. Oh my god. When it clears up, it's going to be super pretty. Right now it looks like you can't even see the glitter. You can't even see the glitter. Like, why did I start mixing now? more. Slime, slime, get out my hands. If this is hard, then like regular colors. This is such a workout, like, okay, it's like focusing. Take out all of the slime off your hands. Sticking. This is super sticky. Tide coming through. I am putting Tide in my hands because none of the sun is going to stick to me. None of the sun is going to stick to me because I'm not going to let it stick. Let it stick, let it stick. Okay, right now it's like a bunch of little worms, but I learned. You see? No more. This is such a little slime. And I added so much glue. It's like a rip-off. Should I make a clear slime today? What time is it? I'm sorry. I don't know what time is it. This is so pretty. I really like the way it turned out. I have some on my shirt. It's very stretchy. I can stretch it again and again and again. It's a really sticky slime. I'm gonna make it look like a bit of slime. I made it, guys. I made my slime. Super stretchy. I made a slime. Like, this is all I can stretch. I'll be right back.